Welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. Today we are here with new for you, and this is from Hungary. It's in the heart of Europe, and this scholarship are from the Hungary government, and these scholarships will cover the courses for bachelor's, master's, doctoral, and some non-doctoral or certificate courses also. We will discuss about these scholarships. So there are a lot of scholarships to be given, and they are exactly the 5,000 in the quantity, and there are many opportunities for you, and this is one of the easiest and the cheapest country to study in the Europe, and this is one of the scholarships that you have the opportunity to get selected in. Now, in order to begin this scholarship process, let me remind you to subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarships, and you can also follow us on Instagram. You can message us there. The link for this Hungary government scholarship is given in the YouTube video description. You can check out the link there, or you can check out the Instagram bio. Link is also given there. And the easiest way to reach our website is scan the QR code on the photographs that you see on the posts on Instagram. If you scan this QR code, like suppose you go for this, so it's study in Canada, so it will take you to this Canada scholarship. Likewise, if you scan the QR code for the Hungary government scholarship, it will take you to the Hungary website that we have posted here. Now, once you reach on this website, and you can read the details by your own. Here are some basic details. The host country is Hungary, and this is an initiative from the Hungarian government, as this is study in Hungary. And the degree level that you can complete is bachelor's, master's, doctoral, and non-doctoral or non-degree courses. And in these bachelor's and masters, there are a lot of subjects to be covered. The financial coverage is fully funded, and the number of scholarships depend on the course, as it is approximately counted as 5,000, and the deadline is the most important part. The deadline extends to the January 15th of each year. So each year if you open the Hungary scholarship, there will be January deadline, and the most important, that is the plus point of this scholarship, is there is no application fee to submit. So it's absolutely free to submit this application, and this is an opportunity for you to submit. Please watch the video carefully till the end and follow the steps that we show you here. And on Instagram, if you check out there, we have some alumni from this scholarship, study in Hungary scholarship. We can get you in contact with them, as they will give you tips regarding that. Then you have the duration of the scholarships. It depends on the course, as the for bachelors and for the masters, it is extendable to the 2 year courses, and for one tier masters it's 5 to 6 years, and for doctoral scholarships it is for the 4 years, and non-degree it's 1 year or certificate courses. Then you have the scholarship coverage. It's also mentioned here in the fourth step, so you can check out that. So you will be exactly receiving the 43,700 Hungarian currency per month, and it's advocate to pay your meals, other expenditures, travel, so they will all cover it. Then you have the full lodging and the accommodation, so they will provide you that also. Then you have the round trip airfare, so they will pay you from your home country to the destination and back to destination to home country. And you have the insurance also covered in this. So you will be given tickets to travel. Then you have the subjects that you can go for application here. So you can check the agriculture programs, you can check that business programs, engineering programs, health, humanities, science, computer science, law, and music. Then you have the required documents for these courses to be eligible, so you can check out that. So you must be an international student and have completed the previous course. Like if you apply for the bachelor, so you should have high school diploma or any previous certificates. Then if you're applying for the masters, so you should have the bachelor's as well. Then if you go for the PhD, you must have the masters as well as the bachelor's. Then the citizenship documents that are required are the citizenship documents like passport. Then you have the medical certificate, and that format will be provided with the Stipend Hungarian scholarship website. So this government will provide you the format. Then you have the some conditions. So if you are from the United States, so you should have the MCAT tests, and they are required there. Now the application process is completely simple. It's mentioned in the three simple steps. So there are parts in the application. So this is one of the critical points to understand, that the application you have to submit it online. When you submit the application online, we will show you that, and then you have to download its PDF. So there will be an option to download the application. Then that downloaded PDF along with your documents must be pinned, and they should be posted or mailed to the your sending partner. So who is your sending partner? Like in Asia or subcontinent, for India it's the UGC. So you have to send your application along with the photocopy of your documents to that, or the MHRD, so they will send. Similarly, in other countries you have the higher education boards, so you have to download this application along with the documents, you have to attach that, then post them, or you have to email them. So for India you have to email them as well as send it by the post also. So similarly for other countries they have the same process. So you have to email your sending partner as well as you have to fill it online. Then you can check the other details also. If you have doubts, you can comment below and we will give you answer there. And now this is the application part, and now you have to apply the application here. So in order to fill the application, click on this apply now button at the end on our website. You can directly visit our website www.fullscholarships.net also. So click on this apply now here. Once you click on that, you can check we have been redirected officially to the Stipendum Hungarian Scholarship. This is a government website from the Study in Hungary method and initiative. Then you can check apply for the scholarships. Call for the application is open for the BA, BSc, MA, MSc or other details are also given here for the doctoral as well. So call for the application, you can check the notifications here. So call for the bachelor's, master's and doctoral is given separately in the two tabs. And on the right hand side of the same third tab, you can check the apply here. So click on this apply here button and it will open the online application interface for you. So click on this apply here button. In the meantime, you can read the details here. So you can check the timeline. So 16 January is the deadline. 28 February will be the first step for the destination to check the nomination, and you can read the points as the achievements here. Now simply to save your time, click on this apply here button here. Once you click on that, you can check we have been redirected to the Stipendum Hungarian Scholarship website, and here is the part of the application you have to fill it online. So your chance to excel is showing their slogan. So let me zoom in this screen for you. As on the top you can check the menu on the phone, or on the desktop you have this menu and you can scroll it down. At the top there is an sign in button, so let me clearly show you that. Or you can check the details. So on the top right here, if you can see this dot here, so there is sign in and register. Or you can directly click on this show institutions and it will show you the institutions available to study in the Hungarian scholarship, and you can check the cities that are the Budapest, Debrecen and the other cities that you can pursue courses, and the universities are also mentioned here. Now I recommend you directly go to this sign in or register button here on the top right. So click on this top right register button and let me zoom in this screen. So on the zoom in, so here you can check on the left hand side sign in and register. So do that. Once you click on that sign in and register, if you are a new applicant for the first time you are applying for this Hungary scholarship, you need to click on this I am a new applicant here. So if you already have one, you can simply use the same details, or you can go with the Google, LinkedIn and the Facebook logins also. So I recommend going for the sign up process, as this clears your doubts and you have to fill information once, then your application will be automatically pre-filled with these details. So I have already signed up and with my email and password. So I will go with the same email and same password that I signed up, and I will click on the sign in. So I had in the last previous year application session I had made one demo video for this, and let me zoom out this screen for you. As you can check, there is previous application Bachelor of Computer Engineering and the application is closed for that. So for the first time users, you need to click on this menu here. So click on this here and then click on find programs here. So now in the find programs tab you can check, if you are looking for a particular course that you wish to filter, so you can directly search it here and go with that, or if you have any preferred university you can search it here and directly go to that university. So you can check top universities are there, Also, you can filter your courses according to your choice, like per bachelor's, master's, non-degree, one-tier master's, postdoctoral, doctoral. Each and every detail is given here. So you can filter it by courses also. So suppose I will go for the bachelor's or I will go for the master's. So click on the master's program, then click on find programs. So as of total, there are 1400 total courses. For the master's, there are 580. So you can check top universities, University of PEX. Each and every university is highly recommended and they are easy to get acceptance letter from. Suppose there is this course, agriculture environmental management engineering, and deadline for this is 16th of January 2023. So suppose in order to apply for this course, you need to click on this apply now button here as the academic year 2023-2024. So click on this. Suppose you have chosen any of the courses, you have to do the same process. Click on apply now button here. So wait for a few seconds so that the website gets reloaded. Now as you see that once we have clicked on that, we can clone the previous application also. So if you want to clone it with your previous information, this means if you have previously filled information like a birth, personal information, birth details, passport, you don't need to refill it. So you can clone with the previous applications and it's recommended. Click on that. Now you have the following tabs to be filled. First, priorities. So you have to give the priority to the course. So for MS Agriculture Environmental Engineering, I am going it for the first priority, and you can now save as draft. Then you have to fill the profile details and contact details, then the education details, languages that you know, and the knowledge about that, then the employment history if you have any, activities you are interested in, residences you had previously, motivation letter. This is very important. If you want to get this motivation letter in the 4000 words, you can ask us and we can fill it for you. So it takes time, our experts are there and we will give you this motivation. Type it up to the 4000 characters and we guarantee on the selection of that. Then you have the documents to be filled, so you need to upload the documents here. So after uploading the documents here, you should take note of that you have submitted all the documents for that course, including the medical certificate that you need to download directly from the Stepidem Hungarian website. So let me show you the where. So here you can check medical certificate. So you have to download here, fill it with your doctor and submit it back. Then you have the checklist. So you should check out the list that you have completed this profile, education details, and once you are ready with this, you can go with the other details if you have anyone to fill. After you have all details cleared, you have your profile completed, you can click on this submit button here, and once you do that, click on submit, then the PDF will be generated and the online application will be also submitted. So you can check currently some of details are not filled, so it won't set right now, it won't be submitted as I have some incomplete details here. So you have to clear all the doubts and fill all the details here, then click on submit, save the PDF for you and attach the documents required. Then the second part comes. So you have to fill it through your the sending partner, that is the higher education commission in your country. So you should check which one you have to contact. So it's on your government website or your country website. So here you can check application procedure is given here also, but it's recommended you go with your country procedures as it's different for each country. For India it's MHRD and UGC, so we have to follow that process, and for your country it might be different, so do that accordingly and then submit the hard copy as well as email copy to them, and they will forward your application to this Hungarian universities and Hungarian Stepidem Hungarian Foundation. So you will receive all details accordingly in your email regarding the next follow-up emails. So if you have doubts, you can ask us in the comment section and you can message us on Instagram as well. We are there for you. And to again remind you that the link for this Hungary government scholarship is given in the YouTube video description. Check out that. Apply link is given at the top. Click on that apply link and it will take you to our website here. In the meantime, you can scan the QR code on their posts of Instagram and it will take you to the same destination you are scanning for. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video, share this video, and do subscribe to Full Scholarships YouTube channel. Have a nice day ahead.